Got an MXP file to extend your Adobe applications? This is a legacy Adobe extension package used for older Adobe software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these Adobe extension package files in your creative workflows. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of Won't MXP File inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. MXP files are extension packages for Adobe applications, including Dreamweaver, Flash, Fireworks, and Photoshop, containing additional features, behaviors, components, or templates. They were the standard extension format used with Adobe Extension Manager, before Adobe transitioned to ZXP format and later to UXP for modern Creative Cloud applications. MXP files use Macromedia's original extension format, storing extension code resource files, installation metadata, and target application identifiers in a compressed package. The format includes installation rules, version requirements, and dependencies enabling automated extension deployment through Adobe Extension Manager. For full compatibility with MXP, use the proprietary Adobe Extension Manager CC developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows provides no feature preview, so enabling or disabling plugins requires the correct software. To open this specific MXP file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Adobe Extension Manager CC is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If the MXP file won't budge, stay calm. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, installing with Extension Manager. Install Adobe Extension Manager, appropriate for your Adobe application version. Double-click the MXP file or use Extension Manager to install. The tool extracts the package, places files in the correct application folders, and registers the extension, making it available within the target Adobe application. Next, converting to ZXP format. For newer Adobe applications, convert MXP to ZXP format using the MXI converter or Adobe Extension Builder. The conversion adapts the extension manifest and packaging for compatibility with newer Adobe Extension Manager versions, ensuring continued use of valuable extensions in current creative workflows. Finally, finding modern replacements. Many MXP extensions have modern equivalents available through the Adobe Exchange Marketplace as UXP plugins. Search for similar functionality in current Adobe Creative Cloud plugin formats, which provide better integration, security, and performance with modern Adobe applications than legacy MXP extensions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.